Today we will walk through the process of inserting a dynamic pivot chart in PowerPoint using data from Excel. Start by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application opens, locate and open the presentation where you want to incorporate the pivot chart. It is important to work directly in the presentation file you intend to use so that any changes are saved and reflected in your live slides as you progress. With your presentation open, shift your attention to your Excel file where your data is stored. This file should contain the table that will serve as the basis for your dynamic pivot chart. It is essential that you have the latest version of your Excel data available before proceeding, ensuring that your chart remains up to date with the most current figures. When you have the Excel workbook ready, navigate within Excel to the table containing the information you wish to display. Once you have located the table, use the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy the entire table. This action will place a copy of the data on your clipboard, preparing it for insertion into your PowerPoint slide. As you complete this step, verify that the table has been successfully selected before copying, so you avoid any unnecessary omissions in the dataset. After copying your data from Excel, return your focus to the open presentation in PowerPoint. Navigate to the slide where you want the pivot chart to appear. Careful placement can ensure that the chart fits naturally alongside any accompanying textual explanations or other visuals on the slide. Now place your cursor at the appropriate location in your slide where you want the table, and then press the Ctrl and V keys to paste the data. This action inserts the table into your slide, preserving the formatting from Excel to a degree that is editable within PowerPoint. At this point, you have successfully transferred your Excel data into PowerPoint, setting the stage for dynamic interactions between the two programs. If at any later time you wish to update or modify the data, simply right-click on the table within your slide and choose the option to edit the data. Doing so will open the embedded data sheet, allowing you to make any necessary changes. This feature is especially useful in dynamic reporting environments where data trends and figures are regularly updated. Throughout this process, it is helpful to ensure that you are comfortable with both the Excel and PowerPoint interfaces, as the interaction between these two applications is central to creating dynamic and responsive presentations. Taking your time with each step can reduce errors, and verify that the data from Excel is accurately represented in PowerPoint. Following these directions closely will lead to a polished and seamless integration of data into your presentation, resulting in a dynamic visual display that can easily be updated as your information evolves. By following these clear instructions, you enhance the flexibility and professionalism of your presentation. The integration between Excel and PowerPoint is a powerful tool designed for those who need to showcase live data efficiently. Enjoy the process of updating or editing your table when needed, and remember that this dynamic link allows you to maintain consistency across your professional documents.